Before you spend thousands on a detailing setup, watch this. You do not need a luxury van or expensive equipment to start making real money. In this video, I'm revealing 5 mobile detailing equipment kits under $300 that can help you launch a side hustle with serious earning potential. These budget-friendly kits include essentials like pressure washers, foam cannons, microfiber towels, detailing brushes, spray bottles, wash mitts, vacuum attachments, tire brushes, drying towels, and interior cleaning tools. The goal isn't to buy the most expensive gear, it's to build a reliable setup that delivers professional-looking results customers will gladly pay for. Here's the exciting part: a basic interior and exterior detail can often bring in $80 to $100 per vehicle, depending on your market and services. Consistently booking several jobs a week can add up quickly, making a $1,000 weekly revenue goal possible for some detailers with strong marketing, quality work, and repeat customers. Results vary by location, pricing, expenses, and demand, but the opportunity is real. I'll also share where to save money, which tools are actually worth upgrading first, and the common beginner mistakes that waste time and profits. Whether you're starting a weekend side hustle, looking to replace your 9-to-5 income, or planning to grow into a full-time detailing business, this guide gives you a practical roadmap without breaking the bank. If you're ready to turn a small investment into a business with real income potential, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's build your mobile detailing hustle the smart way. Your first paying customer could be closer than you think.